Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm just gonna show you how we update the Flutter applications in Play Store. Okay, so this is when you have already uploaded the application and then you want to update it. Okay, so first let's go in our Play Store console here. So what you see here is just a home of our Play Store console. Here I'm gonna select one of my applications here. So here, the reason why I want to update it, it's because it's got this message here that I need to update the API level. Okay, so what I'm gonna do to update this, first you need to go to release overview over here, and then from this screen here you have to click on release dashboard. Okay, so let's go over here. So here, that's where we're going to make a new release. Okay, so let's leave this here and then go in our code. Okay, so let's minimize, let's open our code. So now here we need to do like the change that we need to do and then we update. Okay, so the changes that I want to do right now is in you go in Android app and then build on Gradle. So here you can see that I've got this as minimum version to flutter.minimum version, which is not recommended. I need to put the minimum SDK here. So I'm going to change this to 21 and then recommend target SDK. I need to target the latest Android. That's when App Store is going to allow me. Okay, so the latest Android is version 14. Okay, so here it's target SDK version 34. Okay, so this is going to be the changes that I want to make, and then that's all. Okay, so this is all my changes. I'm gonna save this file. Okay, so once I save this, I can go ahead and close this. Now next I need to come to pubs.yml file because I'm updating the application, which means I need to always change the version number here. So you can see that this is my current version of the application. I want to change this. Okay, so here I'm going to change this to version 10. Okay, so what I'm going to do is this, I'm going to leave it like this, but here I'll have to change it to 10. I'm gonna say 10 plus 10 like this. So this is going to be my new version number, okay, for this update that I'm doing. And then after I change this, I also again need to save this. Okay, so once I save, I can close. So it's just loading here. Let's just let it finish. Right, that's saved. We can go ahead and close that. Now the next thing to do is to open up your terminal. Now here on the terminal at the root of the application, what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna run the code flutter clean just to make everything cleaner, clean it out. So right after this code, the next thing I'm going to run now is to build the app bundle. Okay, so I'm going to run flutter build app bundle. Okay, now I'm going to click enter. This will build the app bundle, the one that will upload now as an update. Okay, so we just need to wait for it. So I'm just gonna fast forward the bit over here. All right, now the signed up build is created, so you can see that it's saved inside this location. So what we need to do is just to come up here to that location. I'm gonna minimize that location. Is inside the app, build app outputs bundle, and then release, and then app release. So here it's going to be inside this build. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna right click on this one and then review in Explorer. So here I'm gonna go inside build app output bundle release. So this is the update that we want. Okay, so another important thing to do is when you have changed something, before you create this release, you need to test your application again. Okay, just to make sure on the devices, on the emulators. Okay, but I have already done that myself. So let's go ahead and update this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna minimize this and then minimize this also. Next is I'm going to create here the new release. Okay, so I'm gonna click here. So here you can see that we need to put the app bundle that we've just created. So I'm gonna open that back, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna drag and drop it here. So here we just need to wait for it to upload. Alright, so once the upload is done, we can come down here and then we can see that our upload is here. We can see that this is a new version that we've just put. Okay, so the next thing to do is just to go and click on next. Here also we just need to save. So once we save, now we need to go for review. Okay, but before that we can also add some release notes. Okay, so if you want to add some release notes, which of course we should add, we need to go back. So let's click on cancel for now, and then here on release, where you can also get here when you just come to production here and then release. Okay, so here we want to have changes in our new version, so you have to click on manage changes, and then here we scroll all the way down until we find these release notes. Okay, so we can edit the release note, and then here we're going to release name is going to be that version, and then you can add your release notes here. So I've already written mine. I'm just gonna copy them from where I've written them and then paste it here. So I've just pasted my release notes here, and then I'm gonna save. Okay, so that's how we can add some release notes. If you forget to add, just don't forget, you come this side. Now after we add our release notes, we can go back to production here, and then here we just need to go to publish overview, because we have done all the changes that we need to do. From this publish overview, we just wait for it to load, and then we want to send one change for overview. So now let's click here. We are ready to send this change, so let's just click send changes for overview. So that's about it. We have just sent the changes. Now we will just wait for Play Store to review it. Okay, now if we go back to production here, or you can see even just when we go to release overview here, if we come down here, you can see that this version is in review. So it will take us maybe take 2 to 3 days, and then our update is going to be live. So that's it guys about this video, and if you like this video, please consider leaving a like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.